Hello, I'm Adi. In this video, I'm quickly go over how to build or create new Outlook profile. First, go to search button and find control panel and choose mail. From here, you can choose show profile, which open another new windows. In this demo, I have few Outlook profile. Does not matter you have a few Outlook profile. To create new Outlook profile, click add and give a profile name. And here just enter your name, email address and password. Once OK, click on next and click on finish. So I have demo profile has been created. Next on the always use this profile, drop down and choose your new profile and click apply and OK. The last step is launch your Outlook application. Please allow some time to prepare and download your previous email if have. Now you have learned how to create Outlook profile. Check out my next video.